Welcome back. Today I will share you top 10 most logical physics MCQs. So stay with me. The first MCQs, which is given that a lift is falling under gravity. What is the time period of a pendulum attached to its ceiling? 0, infinite, 1 second, yeah, 2 second. So it will be infinite. Reason? So we know that the time period of simple pendulum which depend upon length and gravity. So when we put G0, the time period will become infinite. MCQ number 2. A person is sitting on a lift, accelerating upward. Measured weight of a person will be less than the actual weight, equal to the actual weight, more than the actual weight, yeah, 0. So it will be more than the actual weight because we know that W is equal to M into A plus G for upward motion. MCQ number 3. A ball is dropped from a spacecraft revolving the earth at a height of 120 km. What will happen to the ball? It will continue to move with the same speed along the original orbit of spacecraft. Yeah, it will move with the same speed tangentially to the spacecraft. Yeah, it will fall down to the earth gradually and it will go very far in the space. The correct option is it will continue to move with the same speed along the original orbit of the spacecraft. So the reason is as no external force act on the ball, it will continue to move with the same speed along the original orbit of the spacecraft. MCQ number 4. If mass energy equivalence is taken into account, when water is cooled to form ice, the mass of water should increase, remain unchanged, decrease, first increase, then decrease. So it will be increase. The reason is the heat energy possessed by water get converted into mass. When ice is formed, this increase in mass. This MCQ is already done. If momentum decreases by 20%, kinetic energy will decrease by 36%. So this MCQs I can solve through short trick. So pause the video, learn the trick and solve many other questions which are related to this type of question. MCQ number 6. When a body with a constant speed along a circle, no work is done on it, no acceleration is produced in it, its velocity remains constant, yeah, no force acts on it. The correct option is no work is done on it. So the reason is, so this is the body with a constant speed along a circle. Let this is the inward force which is known as centripetal force, and this is the displacement of the body which are along the tangent to the circle. So this displacement and centripetal force make 90 degree. So the work should be considered 0 because we know that work which is equal to FD cos 90 and cos 90 is equal to 0. MCQ number 7. A shell in flight explodes into 4 unequal parts. Which of the following is conserved? Potential energy, momentum, kinetic energy, yeah, none. So the momentum is conserved. MCQ number 8. A body projected vertically from the Earth reaches a height equal to the Earth radius. Before returning to the Earth, the power exerted by the gravitational force is the greatest. यानी क्वेश्चन में कहा गया है कि एक ऑब्जेक्ट को प्रोजेक्ट किया गया वर्टिकली जो कि ज़मीन के रेडियस के बराबर हाइट पे वहाँ पे पहुँचा दिया गया। तो ये बताइए कि पावर कब यानी मैक्सिमम होगा, क्यों? यानी एट द हाईएस्ट पोजीशन ऑफ द अर्थ, दिस इज हाईएस्ट पोजीशन ऑफ द अर्थ, या इट रिमेन कांस्टेंट थ्रूआउट, या एट द इंस्टेंट जस्ट बिफोर द बॉडी हिट्स द अर्थ, या एट द इंस्टेंट जस्ट आफ्टर द बॉडी इज प्रोजेक्टेड। सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज व्हेन द बॉडी जस्ट हिट द अर्थ, तो इसी दौरान पावर ज़्यादा होगी, क्योंकि पावर की फार्मूला हमारे पास है फोर्स इनटू वेलोसिटी। बोथ फोर्स एंड वेलोसिटी आर मैक्सिमम एट द इंस्टेंट जस्ट बिफोर द बॉडी हिट्स द अर्थ। MCQ number 9. The coefficient of restitute E for a perfectly elastic collision is? The correct option is 1. MCQ number 10. If a person standing on a rotating disk stretches out his hands, the angular speed will increase, decrease, remain same, या none of these. So it will decrease. So this is the reason. As the person stretches out his hand, his moment of inertia increase. To conserve the angular momentum, his angular velocity should be decreases. Okay, thanks for watching.